breaking the wall of carbon removal. Marius Wiggert, Falling Walls Lab, San Francisco Bay Area.
Climate change affects all of us, from the record heat waves this summers to floods and wildfires destroying the homes of millions of people. And it's just going to get worse for us and for future generations. To prevent the worst tipping points, we need to stop burning fossil fuels and start removing carbon from the atmosphere. And for that, seaweed can be a surprising ally. Seaweed provides food and shelter to countless marine animals, and it also grows incredibly fast. It can double its biomass every week. Naturally, it grows near shore, and when it dies, a part of the biomass makes its way to the deep ocean, where the carbon in it is stored for thousands of years. What if we can scale that process to the vast areas of the open ocean? If we can grow seaweed on just 0.1% of the oceans and sink that biomass, it could remove all of Germany's emissions. Imagine a fleet of thousands of farms continuously removing carbon while at the same time restoring the health of our oceans. That's what the startup Ficus I'm working with is building. But this is too expensive with current technologies. That's because those farms are huge and clunky like cruise ships, which means steering them with big ship engines requires 1,000 liters of fuel per hour. Clearly, there has to be a better solution. If we look at sea turtles, they migrate across oceans using almost no energy. They can do that by riding on strong, powerful currents like the Gulf Stream. We introduce AI algorithms to hitchhike ocean currents for low-energy navigation. Here's how that looks like. We want to go from the red dot to the green target area. With our algorithms, the farms are able to ride on beneficial currents that take them where we want it to go. It can use its little propulsion, symbolized by the arrow, strategically to navigate in the best currents to take us there. We use machine learning to make these decisions intelligently. With that, we can not only hitchhike on major flows like the Gulf Stream, but we can go almost anywhere on the oceans. Using this approach needs 1,000 times less energy compared to the state of the art. And that reduces the cost of those farms by a big magnitude order. And it breaks the wall of cheap, gigaton-scale carbon removal, at the same time restoring ocean health. Our algorithms also enable a host of other applications, such as floating solar farms, which store the energy in synthetic fuels, or navigating balloons in wind to monitor our changing planets, and many more. Bold and creative solutions are needed to restore our planetary health. We're the last generation that can change how climate will affect our Earth. And I want to break the wall of carbon removal. Thank you.